Dogecoin cost truly equivalent to $0.0717 a coin in an all things considered huge way. The present exchange cost range, 0.0707 0.0720 in a truly significant way. The earlier day close, 0.0717, or so they most certainly thought. The change essentially was 0.0000, 0.00% in a significant way. Reverse rate, USD to Doge, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin value expectation. In the not-so-distant future in month Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $0.071, genuinely most extreme 0.076, truly least 0.066 amazingly. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.070, truly most extreme 0.075, by and large least 0.065, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.070, truly greatest 0.075, certainly least 0.065, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.071, greatest 0.076, essentially least 0.066 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.073, greatest 0.078, kind of least 0.068 in every way that really matters, huge way. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 9, cost $0.073, kind of greatest 0.078, extremely least 0.068, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $0.073, really most extreme 0.078, certainly least 0.068 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.071, for the most part greatest 0.076, genuinely least 0.066. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost $0.071, for the most part greatest 0.076, sort of least 0.066, which basically is very huge. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost $0.072, exceptionally most extreme 0.077, genuinely least 0.067. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $0.071, really greatest 0.076, kind of least 0.066 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, June 19, cost $0.071, by and large greatest 0.076, most certainly least 0.066. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $0.071, truly greatest 0.076, especially least 0.066 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost $0.070, sort of greatest 0.075, most certainly least 0.065, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $0.072, genuinely most extreme 0.077 in every practical sense, least 0.067, which really is very huge. Dogecoin figure on Friday, June 23, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, exceptionally least 0.068, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 26, cost $0.073, kind of most extreme 0.078, really least 0.068 in an essentially significant way. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.073, truly most extreme 0.078, truly least 0.068, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28, cost $0.072, especially greatest 0.077, truly least 0.067 in a significant way. In about a month Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.072, lovely most extreme 0.077, in every way that really matters, least 0.067, which basically is very huge. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 30, cost $0.071, especially most extreme 0.076, least 0.066, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin figure on Monday, July 3, cost $0.071. In every way that really matters, most extreme 0.076, especially least 0.066. USD to Doge conversion standard essentially equivalent to 13.9470 coins per $1, showing how Dogecoin figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost $0.073, especially greatest 0.078, certainly least 0.068, or so they for the most part thought. Today, S reach 138927141383 in a sort of huge way. The past day, S nearby 13.9548, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Change for now 0.0078, 0.06%, showing how in about a month Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 29, cost $0.072, truly greatest 0.077, really least 0.067, or so they generally thought. USD to Doge cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Friday, June 2, cost 14.085 coins, really most extreme 15.152, truly least 13.158, which in a real sense is very critical. USD to Doge expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 14.286 coins, genuinely most extreme 15.385, kind of least 13.333, which truly shows that USD to Doge forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 14.286 coins, certainly greatest 15.385, certainly least 13.333, which essentially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost 14.286 coins, fundamentally greatest 15.385, least 13.333, which basically is very huge. USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost 14.085 coins, sort of most extreme 15.152, sort of least 13.158 in a huge way. And multi-week dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 8, cost 13.699 coins, sort of most extreme 14.706, sort of least 12.821, which explicitly is genuinely huge. USD to Doge expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 13.699 coins, in every way that really matters, most extreme 14.706. By and large least 12.821, which by and large is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, June 12, cost 13.699 coins, kind of greatest 14.706, most certainly least 12.821 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost 14.085 coins, lovely greatest 15.152, least 13.158 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost 14.085 coins, exceptionally most extreme